Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do cleaning cycles on an Epson Stylus Office BX305FW. Now this is very simple, it can be done directly from the printer using nothing but the buttons and the screen found on the machine. So first of all we need to get into the maintenance menu. So we press menu, and then maintenance, it's right down the bottom as option 10, but you can skip straight to it if you press up. And then we press OK to go into maintenance. We're going to move past ink levels, past nozzle check, to head cleaning. And to get started, we press the colour button. Now this will take your machine a couple minutes. You hear some funky noises coming from it. And what it's doing is pushing fresh ink into your printer's print head to hopefully dislodge any ink that's dried in there and is causing you print quality issues. So we'll let it do its thing. And with the clean complete, you have two options. Press either 1 to finish, or you can check the results of your clean by pressing 2 to do a nozzle check, which is like a test page from your printer. Which will kick out something that looks like this. The black, cyan, magenta and yellow. You can look for improvements or any issues with the print quality, like we've got here on the magenta. But that's it for now. If you found this video useful, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.